Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be unboxing this Polygel kit that I got from Amazon. I'm so excited to see what's inside because it's my first ever Polygel kit. So this is the beginning of my nail journey and I'm really excited to share it with you all. I'm so happy that you're all here to see it with me. So it's the Phoenixy Polygel starter kit, and I'll definitely let you all know if it's good for absolute beginners like me, if you wanted to get it for yourself and like try doing your nails at home for the first time, because that's where I'm starting as well. So this is what the kit looks like on the outside, what the box looks like. So let's have a look what it looks like on the inside. Wow, okay, so it's full all the way to the top, which I really like. First things first, we have 100 pieces of dual nail forms. I've never used them before, so I don't know how I'm going to do with them, but I'm really excited. 2 packets of metal nail stickers. These nail stickers aren't flat, they're actually raised, so if you touch it, there's a lot of texture to them, like they lift off your nail. Not too high, but it's really nice. I'm really excited to use that. Then we've got the Cuticle Oil. It's grape oil. I'll let you guys know how it smells as we go along. Then we have the Toe Separators. You already know what it is. I love the heart and I love that it's pink, because pink's my favorite color, obviously. Nail brush. Oh my gosh, I was really excited to get one of these. I love the diamonds on it and the pink at the top of the brush. Oh my gosh, guys, I really like this. It's like definitely a bit of me, like the diamonds and then the pink at the top. Ugh, guys, I'm so excited. Next, we've got base coats. The base coats actually, the balls are actually pretty small, but I'm excited anyways. Then top coat, and I really love that they're all individually packed. Like it just makes it feel really clean. Then the slip solution, I'll definitely let you guys know how the slip solution worked with the Polygel. Okay, so these are my Polygels. They 4 come in the box. On Amazon, I saw the colors and they were really like just cute to me. They had 2 pinks, and obviously you know I love pink, so we're definitely gonna be having a look what the pinks look like. I really like that they're individually wrapped. That's like one of my favorite things about this box. They are a lot smaller than I expected, but it just all looks really nicely packaged and presented to me. Next, we've got the Dap and Dish, the glass ball that comes in it. It's nice, sturdy. I had wanted to get the lamp out last, but I got the nail files first. We got the pink one and then there's a grey one, but there's loads of stuff underneath the lamp, so we'll talk about the lamp. It's 36 watt LED UV lamp and it's high powered. It says it's fast curing and it cures all gel, but I'll definitely be going into a more detailed look of the lamp later on. We're going to test it out and everything. So we've got tweezers. They're just some plain smooth tweezers. I'm gonna use them to pick the gemstones and stuff. That's just the wire for the lamp. And we've got our gemstones. The nail art is 2000 nail art diamonds, it says, and I'm really excited to use it because there's loads of different colors, so I want to see what looks I can do with them. Then, oh my gosh guys, we've got the steel pusher pen. Don't worry guys, we're gonna unwrap it later. I just want to get everything out the box. You've got the Cuticle Fork. Then this is the second nail file. But guys, with the nail files, none of them have the grit name. Like it doesn't tell you what grit it is, 18, 100, 180, all that stuff. So you're just gonna have to feel the coarseness. The top of the pink is very coarse. The grey is not as coarse, so it's the smoother one. And that's my only negative about the nail files. Guys, there's a lot of nail art stuff in this packet, so I'm gonna unwrap it first. Okay, first things first, we've got the second nail stickers. These are love hearts and I really like them. I like that they're raised and textured. I love the gold color as well. Then we've got the nail art strips. This is purple. I'm already thinking of what looks I'm gonna do with these. Then we've got the gold nail art strips. And what's funny is that I was actually looking for on Amazon a lot of nail art kits and like nail accessories and stuff, but this box has everything I need. So we've got the silver one, we've got the grey at the bottom, and then we've got the blue at the top, which I'm really excited to use. Okay guys, then we've got the nail polish remover pads. I'm so excited to see that this came with it, because I didn't have acetone or anything in my house right there at that moment. I bought some since then, but these are the nail polish remover pads. And then we've got the French nail tip stickers. These are like the guides to help you get that perfect smile line every time. I tried to use it in my first nail look. That video's coming out soon, guys. You guys are gonna have to watch it. And then we've got the rest of the nail polish remover pads. So that's actually excellent for beginners. If you don't have acetone or anything at home, you have the nail polish remover pads that come in the box, and they actually give you a decent amount. So you get 5 pairs, which is 10 in total, which is really great. So this is the second nail art stickers. It's really pretty, flowery, and they've got butterflies and bees and stuff, and it feels really nice to touch. This is beautiful. Look at this. I'm gonna do a... I actually tried to smell it before twisting it, which is so funny. I hadn't even twisted. I didn't know how to do it. I tried to squeeze. It wasn't coming out. So then I realized you could twist it. So yeah, you twist. It hadn't soaked all the way down to the bristles. So I was just like twisting and trying. And nothing was coming out yet. It's not broken. It's just, still coming out. It's brand new. So I had to twist a bit more and let the oil soak into the bristles. Some came out. It smells so pretty, like it smells. Okay, so let's unwrap my first ever steel push pen. And guys, it feels really nice in the hand, really premium. Well, it is my first ever one, so I don't have anything else to compare it to, but it does feel really nice, I'm not gonna lie. It feels really nice in the hand. I'm trying to get this to focus here on this. And I really like that it comes covered. That's really nice. It really adds to the packaging and I really like it. Okay, the bristles, once you just push on it, it loosens up straight away and becomes really smooth and like really easy to use. It doesn't feel like it came covered in any kind of like solution. It just feels just great to use straight away. And I really like the metal side, feels really strong. Next is the slip solution. Right now I actually want to smell it just to see what it smells like, if it's strong or anything. It's already open, it doesn't come with a seal, so I'm glad it didn't spill anywhere in delivery, but it smells really calm and really neutral and like almost watery, if I can say that. Polygel is, that I'm opening, is this one. Which color it is? It's number 3. That is the color. It's very pretty pink. Okay, first swatch. Sorry guys, this is my first ever swatch. It didn't come out in like a full drop, so that's why it was like airy. Sorry guys, I'm gonna do a better job in the next swatch. This is number 1, number 2. So I'll go with number 1. I've done number 3 now. I'll do number 1. Okay, this is number 1. I don't know why the 2 pinks just keep popping out like with an ear pocket, but that's okay guys, because the pink is a really beautiful baby pink. I love it. It's just so bright and it's just me. I love it so much. Okay guys, so this is my second attempt at a swatch. Oh, I'm so sorry, but I definitely did a second one because you guys had to see the pink. And it's the most perfect bubblegum pink. It's just such a beautiful color, and like guys, I love this color. It's my favorite. We'll go number 2. Okay, this is number 2. And it's clear white. Guys, the white was so white, I genuinely thought it was clear, but it's such a pretty white. I really like bright whites, especially because my favorite set of nails is the French nails, so I love when the white is like a pristine white. I love it. Number 5. Which I believe is clear. It's a bit thicker, but you know, to get out. So that's number 5, and it is the clear. I'm going to be swatching it now on. I really don't know if you guys can see this, but I do want you to see what the swatches look like. Obviously, don't forget the base coat. It's very small. I will say that it's very small. So we've got the dual forms, 100 pieces, and at the top you've got the size number, so you can know exactly what size you have for each finger. And I'm not going to show you all of them because it's pretty straightforward and I don't want to waste any more time. Lastly, for the tools, we've got the nail clippers. Guys, I actually forgot it in the box. I had already finished filming the entire video. You can see the background. I'd finished the entire video. I arranged everything in the background, and then I was about to put the box away, and then I heard a noise actually, and I was like, oh my gosh, what's that? And it was the nail clippers. But yeah guys, just the standard nail clippers. So now for the main thing, I'm so excited to do the unboxing. It's my first ever UV light. I didn't know how big I thought it was going to be from online, so now this is it. 120, 90 and 60 seconds. So it's got like a mild scratch on it, but that's okay. Yeah, you plug it in. It feels a bit just plastic, a bit almost like a helmet, like a bike helmet. And you're meant to plug this in. Plug it in. Okay everyone, I finally got my LED lamp plugged in. I had to move my table and stuff. This is what it looks like underneath. And to activate it, you have to, it is definitely sensor. So you just slide your hand underneath. If you press 60 seconds, the lamp stays on. If you want a flash cure, you just do this. Press 60, 90, 120, and flash curing. So that's what the lamp does. There is no power on off button. You just either flash cure. That's what you just see. One last look at the colors, guys. I'm so excited to actually do my nails with these pinks. Okay, so this is the Phoenixy nail kit. This is everything that comes in it, and it says it's a beginner kit, a starter kit, Do I agree? Yes, 100%. It's got everything you need in it for a beginner, like an absolute beginner like myself. It's got everything you need in it, from the cuticle oil to the nail foams, all the way to the nail art accessories and everything. The only downside to it is just the nail files didn't come with the grit information, so I don't know what grit they are. I do love the kit. I would give it a 10 out of 10, but the nail file situation is a bit so 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. I'm really happy with it. In my next video, I'm going to be doing another nail look with it, my first ever nail look with my new Polygel kit. I'm so excited. Okay, see you later, everyone. Bye. Bye.